NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit with Xylitol, 60 pre-mixed packets. Your daily solution for natural sinus relief. This video will guide you through how to use the NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit with Xylitol safely and correctly. Before beginning, make sure your hands are clean. To begin, fill the bottle to the line with lukewarm distilled, previously boiled, or commercially bottled water. Add 1 pre-mixed packet with Xylitol. Screw on the cap and shake to dissolve. Lean forward over a sink or bowl and place the nozzle into one nostril. Gently squeeze to allow the solution to flow through one nostril and out the other. Gently blow your nose and repeat on the other side.